Good day everyone. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. I hope you can find some value of your time here. If you have been here before, welcome back and you're welcome. And for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome to our channel Council 5. Here we try and break down the challenges of our lives in 5 simpler sub-challenges that we can overcome slightly more easily. I recommend you to watch till the end of this video to gain the complete list for today's challenge, which is to understand the 5 real worth of money. Is money evil? If not evil, is it good? Why is getting money difficult? And how do some people among us have got as much as they probably don't count anymore? Let's dig in. Number 1. Money is necessary in the society that we live. If we had lived in another planet where the society was not built around money, it would have been just a piece of fancy paper. But we don't. Whether you like it or not, it is necessary. There's no way around it. Or perhaps you could live in an Himalayan cave meditating. Number 2. Money doesn't have a life. Money can help buy amenities for a good, healthy, and long life, but not life itself. It is just an object, a tool which serves a purpose. And just like the furniture in your house, which allows you to rest your body comfortably while neither standing nor lying down. And hence, it is not something that can be attached with at an emotional level. So don't be happy or sad or angry or frustrated because of money. You surely need it. So go do the things necessary to have enough of it, but don't be emotionally attached to it. Number 3. Positivity can be shared. Once you acknowledge that it is necessary to have enough amount of money and that it is not something to be emotionally attached to, you do away with your negativity towards money. And by accepting its necessity, you redirect positivity towards it. We believe that no negative and more positive can only mean positive overall. Number 4. Spend to earn more. Just like it requires money to buy things, what does it take to get money in exchange? Our time, our knowledge, and our physical ability to work. If you spend more of these, you surely will get more of the money in return, because that's what brings more money and overall prosperity to our lives. Number 5. Money makes more money. The money that you make can make you even more money if invested in the right investment tool. That could be the topic for another video. If you would like to hear about it, please let us know in the comments below. There are many ways in which money can make more money for you. Which of those you choose for yourself and how well educated are you about that way of making more money is all that would decide the total amount of money you will own. To summarize, fully accepting the necessity of money in our lives without being emotional about it, and yet spending more of the things that makes money for us and use the same money to make even more money for us is all that it takes. Check out our other videos to hear us share our perspective on other matters of our lives, including success, love, and jobs. Like and subscribe for more contents like this.